All right, guys, join us today as we take our private jet to teach our hardwood student. Well, not quite a private jet, but a crop duster, if you will. Guys, we boarded our plane. We are about to head to St. Louis to teach our newest hardwood student the art of refinishing hardwood floors. And this was our view for the most part. And here we are with our newest student, Ron.
YouTube, what is going on, guys? Friday, August the 11th, we finally made it to St. Louis, Missouri. We're here with my ride-along trainee, Ron Dismang with Ultra Steam out here in St. Louis, guys. If you guys need any carpet, tile, and grout, hardwood refinishing, and you are located in the St. Louis area, Ron Dismang, Ultra Steam, great guy, great work, highly rated, highly reviewed. We'll get you taken care of. So anyway, guys, what we're gonna be doing today is a hardwood buff and coat, screen and recoat, or a sandless refinishing on his client's hardwood floor. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. We're gonna be teaching him some of the basic principles and foundations of doing a buff and coat. Guys, this is gonna be a great job, so I want you guys to stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump into the video and see what we're gonna be working on today. Right, Facebook, YouTube, what is going on, guys? Today is Friday, August the 9th, 2023. We are in St. Louis, Illinois, guys. It is hot, it is wet, it is sticky. We are up here doing some training and development with one of my hardwood students out of St. Louis, Illinois, guys. For those of you who don't know, we offer training for hardwood maintenance services such as buff and coat, wax removals, clean and buffs, and much more, where we teach you tips and tricks on how to become better, how to offer this very profitable service. So that's what we're doing up here, guys, is some training development with one of my students. Excited to be up here, excited to get him into the hardwood game and help him to elevate and 10x his business, adding on this service. So that's what we're working on today, guys. So let's go ahead and take a jump in and see what we're working on. All right, guys, so one of the first things that we begin to do is screen and abrade those floors to give that new top coat something to bite onto. And then I let Ron and his business partner, Paul, learn how to actually roll the polyurethane. Guys, this is one of the most satisfying parts for me. I say this all the time in every single video, but it truly is, man. Once you start putting that polyurethane on, that's when you truly see the beauty of the hardwood floors. So that's what we're doing here. Ron's getting some practice. You can see him there rolling as Paul watches and admires the beauty of these floors and admires how well Ron is doing. So guys, this is what we're doing here. So look how good these floors look once that poly hits the floor. All right, YouTube, Facebook, we've got that first coat rolled, and look how much better these floors look. The warmth, the vibrance. Ms. Alice, are you pleased with it?
It looks really good.
You guys, I ain't gonna put her on camera, but you guys heard that. She said it looks really good. So floors look incredible, guys. Again, what we did was tinted the polyurethane, added an oil modified additive to bring some of the warmth, some of the life back to these floors. They look incredible. So the floors are still wet, so that's why they look like this. Our client went with a semi-gloss finish on these floors. So we're gonna come back here in about 2 hours and see what the floors look like, so stay tuned. All right, Facebook, we are back after that first coat. It's been about 2 hours, and take a look at the sheen on these floors, guys. They look absolutely stellar, incredible. Beautifully buffed and coated floors. Guys, they look absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that. The luster has been restored, and these floors look incredible. All right, guys, we've got that second coat down. It is curing now. We're gonna be heading out, not returning. We'll actually be back to refinish these hardwood floors as well. We wanted to go ahead and get these knocked out, taken care of. But guys, look how much warmth, look how much vibrance has been brought back to these hardwood floors. They are beautiful again. Again, guys, they are wet right now. So once they fully dry, they'll take on a completely different sheen, but wow, they look good.